a very warm welcome. Good evening. You're watching Plain Speak with me, Kritsween Walia. We're coming to you live from CNN News 18 Primetime Studio, presented by Green Lamb Laminates. Viewers, the battle lines are drawn in the national capital, with Delhi all set to go to polls on the 5th of February. Political parties too are gearing up for the big fight. With the Aam Aadmi Party fielding its candidates on all 70 seats, the BJP releasing its first list, and the Congress fielding 47 candidates so far, it's going to be a triangular contest. But what has turned heads is the AIMIM's list of candidates in the poll fray. It seems like Asaduddin Owaisi is betting on certain controversial figures yet again. After Tahir Hussain, AIMIM has fielded yet another riot tainted. This time it's Shafoor Rahman from writing to criminal conspiracy. The two AIMIM candidates so far with a riot taint face serious charges, but clearly does not seem like a concern for the opposition. Congress too is mulling fielding riot accused Ishrat Jahan in the poll battle. But can this riot taint be overlooked, viewers? We'll talk about that in just a bit and take it up with our experts. But here's the black pages of the two AIMIM candidates from the 2020 Delhi riots. While Tahir Hussain faces charges of rioting, Shafoor Rahman is facing action over charges of rioting with a deadly weapon. That's the first big charge both of them have been accused of. Both these AIMIM candidates are also booked for promoting enmity between communities. Both of them, Section 153A, amounts to promoting enmity. The charges against them also run as grave as murder. Both have been charged with murder. While Tahir Hussain faces kidnapping charges under Section 365, Shafoor Rahman has been accused of assaulting a public servant. Not just this, both of them also face charges of criminal conspiracy under Section 120B. But this is not all, viewers. The scathing submissions made by the Delhi police and High Court cannot be ignored. In fact, these submissions have triggered concerns around national security. So let's quickly take you through the details. The Delhi police told the Delhi High Court yesterday that there was a ruthless intensity behind the February 2020 riots that claimed nearly 53 lives and left as many as 540 injured. The police also called this a case of pathological mindset and said that the riots were planned with diabolical intentions that were conspired by forces inimical to India and its interests. The Delhi police also said that the national capital was brought to its knees by anti-national forces. They even went on to detail how Sharjeel Imam roped in Jamaat-e-Islami Hindi into the larger conspiracy, and how Umar Khalid also met with people in Jahangirpuri and instigated the Bangladeshis there to protest against CAA and NRC before the Delhi riots took place in 2020. So yes, the charges made by the Delhi police are grave and need to be investigated thoroughly to expose the anti-India narrative that was at play back in the day, as the Delhi police claims. However, the Delhi police have also come under fire. The courts have time and again pulled up police for sluggish investigation in a matter of the last 4 or 5 years. It's been 5 years since the deadly riots unfolded on the streets of the national capital, but the horror of it still continues to dominate the political discourse. Let's also take you through the exact stats here that we've gathered. 757 cases filed, more than 2,000 have been granted bail. Of the 2,714 arrested, as many as 223 have been acquitted, while others still face action. Even as investigations continue, the charges against all accused cannot be overlooked and wouldn't be premature to pit them in poll fray even before they're given a clean sheet by the courts. So the question still remains, is riot taint no bar for political parties going into the Delhi battle? We'll take that up with our guests in just a bit. So far, the reactions. Listen in.
चुनाव में कांग्रेस और एमआईएम के बीच में एक प्रतिस्पर्धा है, कंपटीशन है कि कौन बड़ा भाईजान बन सकता है दंगाइयों का।
Let's quickly open this up with our guest joining us this evening. Shivam Chhabra, spokesperson of the BJP, Nikul Patel, leader of the Congress party, Bilal Khan, lawyer, and Sanjay Rana, political analyst, completes the panel. A very good evening to you, gentlemen. Bilal Khan, my first question to you. We don't have an AIMIM representative, but does this add up? You know, two riot accused, one of them still behind the bars, have been fielded by the AIMIM.
देखिए, हर पार्टी को आज़ादी है। जिस तरीके से शर्जिल, जिस तरीके से अभी शिफाउर रहमान की बात हो रही है, सिर्फ और सिर्फ आरोपी हैं, वो कन्विक्टेड नहीं हुए हैं। कोई भी पार्टी, हमने बहुत सारी चीजें, बीजेपी ने कितने कैंडिडेट्स को उतारा, बीजेपी ने लगातार, आपने देखा होगा, प्रज्ञा ठाकुर खुद 5 साल जेल रह गई थी, उनको एमपी बनाने का काम किया। परवेश वर्मा पे भी एफआईआर हुई जिस तरीके से, और आपने देखा होगा जो बयान हेट स्पीचेस दी गई थी उन लोगों को, जो संसद के अंदर कह रहे हैं और जो संसद के अंदर गालियां दे रहे हैं माँ बहन की, जिस तरीके से एमपी को आतंकवादी कहा गया, टेररिस्ट कहा गया, मुल्ला कटवा, इस वर्ड के यूज किए गए, उसको आज भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने टिकट दिया, उस पर कोई क्वेश्चन मार्क नहीं करता। लेकिन कोई भी अगर कन्विक्टेड नहीं है, उसको आप आरोपी के नाम से टिकट क्यों नहीं दे सकते? हमारे संविधान में इजाजत है, भारत का संविधान इसको इजाजत देता, टिकट देंगे। अब वो जनता जिताएगी नहीं जिताएगी वो देखेंगे, लेकिन इसका इश्यू बनाने का कोई मसला नहीं है। बहुत सारे कैंडिडेट ऐसे भी हैं जो एआईएम हो या कांग्रेस हो, अच्छे लोगों को भी टिकट देने का काम किया, लेकिन भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने आज भी, जिस तरीके से प्रियंका गांधी के ऊपर टिप्पणी की गई थी, गाल को लेकर इस तरीके से रोड बनाएंगे, और आतिशी जो सीएम है दिल्ली के, खुद वुमेन है, उनके ऊपर क्या टिप्पणी की गई थी रमेश बिदोड़ी जी ने, उनको भाजपा
भाजपा से कई सवाल पूछ रहे बिलाल जी, और भाजपा जवाब देगी और देना चाहिए उन सवालों का। पर सवाल एआईएमआईएम से सिर्फ ये है कि इतने पार्टी से लोग जुड़े हुए हैं, इतने कार्यकर्ता हैं जो दिल्ली में शायद काम करते होंगे। 2 लोग, उनमें से एक जो अभी जेल में है, शिफाउर रहमान जिसकी हम बात कर रहे हैं, अभी भी जेल में है, और हमने अभी अभी अपने दर्शकों तक ये भी बात पहुंचाई कि क्या क्या चार्जेस हैं, और काफी गंभीर आरोप उन लोगों के खिलाफ। सब में से उनको यही 2 नाम मिले। सर, ये कैसा एग्जाम्पल सेट करता है? सवाल ये है।
ठीक है, देखिए, आरोप तो सब पे लगते हैं, लेकिन जब तक कन्विक्टेड नहीं हो जाता, कोर्ट उनको सजा नहीं देता, जब तक हम लोग नहीं मानेंगे। और कहीं ना कहीं लोगों की आवाज है, जिस तरीके से ओखला सीट पे, मैं खुद रिहाइश ओखला रहता हूँ, तो मेरी कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी है, वहां पर कुछ लोगों ने मांग की थी, जैसे जामिया से कनेक्टेड रहे, वो जामिया के एलुमनाई के प्रेसिडेंट हैं, उनकी जो पोस्ट है अभी भी प्रेजेंट में प्रेसिडेंट है, वो जेल में है, आरोपी हैं, बट वो कन्विक्टेड नहीं हुए। लोगों की वहां पर जनता ने पुकार की कि आप एआईएम जो है उनको टिकट देगी, लेकिन एआईएम ने टिकट दिया, ठीक है। लेकिन इनके, मैंने तो अभी खुद एक ब्रेकिंग न्यूज सुनी है, सुधांशु त्रिवेदी जी ने मांग की है कि जिस तरीके से नुपुर शर्मा, जो पूरे नबी की शान में पूरी दुनिया में एक कलंकित वो रहा, कि किस तरीके उनको टिकट देने की बात भाजपा कर रही है। आपने इशरत जहां का तो बहुत लोगों ने उड़ा दिया, इशरत जहां को कांग्रेस दे रही है, अभी जबकि क्लियर नहीं हुआ। लेकिन नुपुर शर्मा पे इनकी आवाज क्यों नहीं खुलती? इनकी आवाज सिर्फ और सिर्फ शिफाउर रहमान पे खुलेगी, और कैंडिडेट जो अभी दिए जा रहे हैं उन पे खुलेगी। अरे दिल्ली दंगों की बात है तो कपिल मिश्रा भी उस वक्त पे, उनको भी भाजपा टिकट दे रही है। कपिल मिश्रा का भी नाम आया था, जिन्होंने दिल्ली दंगा भड़काने में पूरी साजिश की थी। ऐसे लोगों को भाजपा लगातार प्रमोट कर रही है, और भाजपा क्या हर पार्टी दे रही है? अगर क्वेश्चन करने हर पार्टी से करिए।
Okay, so BJP, is the BJP in a position to ethically and morally challenge the AIMIM's decision? Shivam Chhabra.
It's unfortunate that Bilal Khan and the likes of him are defending the riot accused. And I think the way the AIM is functioning out here in Delhi, you need to be very, very politically vibrant to understand the real face behind it. The real face behind the AIMIM is the Congress party. The real face, this entire episode probably, clearly implies that they are the real shelters. They are the political backers. They are the real political, I would say, the protagonists behind such riots that happened in Delhi. They have the real answering to do. I mean, it is absolutely obnoxious to probably answer such questions being put up to me. You being a
No, 2 wrongs most certainly don't make a right, Mr. Chhabra. But what seems to be asked to the BJP today is that there are repeat offenders, that the BJP has also fielded right accused, no right accused, that there are notorious elements that the party is still supporting and backing, and in the run-up to the national capital elections.
No. Have they been convicted in any of the cases? the kind of
Parvesh Verma?
acts that have been
Who is
done by
Parvesh Verma
the
who said the Hindu
AIMIM,
Mussalman
the
mat
new
kharijye and all?
candidates here in Delhi,
Who
have
is
been
Parvesh
charge
Verma? Your
sheeted by the
candidates.
Delhi police.
Who is
It is
Ramesh
not me
Bidodi?
who's done it,
Who is
Christine
Ramesh
ji.
Bidodi? Ramesh
They have
Bidodi is
been
your
charge
candidate.
नहीं
sheeted
बिलाल
by
जी
the
एक सेकंड एक तो बिलाल जी there's a
अगर
big
अगर
difference.
चार्ज
राइट
अगर
अक्यूज दंगे फसाद में आप आरोपी
वो
हैं,
की
आप
मतलब
जेल
आप
में
कल्पना
रहे
करिए,
हैं, आप
मैं
जेल में
किसी
रहे हैं,
क्राइम को बड़ा छोटा
उसमें
नहीं कह
और
रहा हूँ।
जो नाम आप ले रहे हैं उनके खिलाफ जो आरोप
प्रज्ञा
है
ठाकुर जेल में
या
नहीं
जो
रही
भी
थी क्या?
बोला गया
मैं
है वो बहुत
सिंपल सा
अलग
क्वेश्चन
बात है.
को
पर दैट
प्रज्ञा
सेड,
ठाकुर कौन थी?
no, that said,
प्रज्ञा ठाकुर
that said, I
प्रज्ञा
want to take
ठाकुर
this to
who
the
is
Congress
प्रज्ञा ठाकुर?
spokesperson
जुर्म कोई
before I
छोटा
come
बड़ा
back to
नहीं
the
होता
both of
प्रज्ञा
you.
ठाकुर जेल में
चोरी
नहीं रही
भी
थी क्या?
जुर्म है और
आप मुझसे
मर्डर
इनसे
भी
क्वेश्चन
जुर्म है.
लीजिए.
There
उनको
is
भारतीय
no
जनता पार्टी
equation
ने
of
एमपी बनाने
two
का
things.
काम
But the
किया.
point is, you need to be ideally understandable in this fact that creating the riots, who were the real faces of Delhi riots, you're trying to field them. What message are you going to give it? And I think the Congress party has a major answering to do. The Aam Aadmi Party, whose candidate he was earlier associated with Aam Aadmi
Yeah.
Party, they have the real answering to do. They have
No,
to
but
answer the people of
I
Delhi
would
that what
instead
kind
see
of
it the
people they
other
want to
way.
field in this
Mr.
Delhi
Shivam
election.
Chhabra, I would
What
see
is
the
the
other
real
way.
motive
Bilal
behind
ji,
that?
अगर आम आदमी party after his name in the riot case can part ways with Tahir Hussain, for instance, he's one of the AIMIM candidates in the Delhi elections. If the Aam Aadmi Party can part ways with him, अगर आम आदमी पार्टी नाता तोड़ सकती है उनसे, तो AIMIM भी और options देख सकती है ना सर, इलेक्शन में खड़ा करने के लिए.
अरे चार्ज शीटेड है. There
आम
is
आदमी
again.
आम आदमी पार्टी जो है वो प्रॉपर राजनीति करने का काम हमने हमेशा देखा है. जहां मुस्लिम्स की बात आती है आम आदमी बैक हो जाता है. जहां हमने देखा मरकज को लेके, जब मरकज पे वो सबसे पहले अरविंद केजरीवाल जी पॉइंट आउट करते थे जितने कोरोना केसेस आ रहे थे, तो वो उनका तो रिकॉर्ड रहता है दिल्ली दंगों में. जिस तरीके से नरेश को टिकट दिया गया तो उनको वापस किया गया, जिन्होंने कुरान की बेइज्जती कर दी थी और कन्विक्टेड भी थे 2 साल. उन्होंने उनको सजा मिली, उनको टिकट देने का काम किया, 2 साल की सजा हुई बट उनको टिकट वापस लिया, कुरान की बेइज्जती की. ऐसे लोगों को केजरीवाल प्रमोट करते हैं. बीजेपी की भी टीम है, तो उनको तो खुद को पता है केजरीवाल जी को, जिस तरीके से
आप
ऐसे
कह
लोगों
रहे हैं
को
आप
अगर कोई
बीजेपी की
दूसरा होता
बी
तो उसको
टीम है,
पार्टी से
कांग्रेस
निकालते.
कह रही है
किसी भी
एआईएमआईएम बीजेपी की बी टीम है. अगर सारे बीजेपी के साथ जुड़े हैं तो फिर मतलब चुनाव तो अभी तक बीजेपी को ही जीतना चाहिए था ना सर. 20 साल से ऊपर की हो गया कि बीजेपी अभी तक वापस नहीं आई है. बट आई गो अक्रॉस टू निकुल एज वेल.
कहीं
निकुल,
ना कहीं इनकी
अलाउ मी टू
सांठगांठ हो
ब्रिंग हिम इन.
चुकी है. ईडी और सीबीआई को डरा के इनको बहुत बुरा हाल हो चुका है. जिस तरीके से जेल से निकल कर आ रहे हैं, बेल मिल रही है, कहीं ना कहीं स्टेटमेंट आप देख लीजिए. कांग्रेस की कितनी सीट है? कांग्रेस 0 है. कांग्रेस को टारगेट पे ले रहे, बीजेपी को टारगेट पे क्यों नहीं ले रहे? तो हमारा क्वेश्चन डायरेक्ट है कि क्यों आप बीजेपी की बी टीम नहीं कहा जाए आपको?
अच्छा, Nikul, how would you say this? Because how would you react to this? Because we have also been very closely tracking whether or not Ishrat Jahan is named by the Congress as one of the candidates, and everybody is really watching out for whether or not she's going to be named from Okhla. So we're watching out for that still. There's no official confirmation, but sources have informed us that this suggestion came in from Rahul Gandhi during a CEC. But what my larger question is, does this not set a wrong example? Right accused, right tainted, being pitted by political parties going into elections. Where are we headed?
Yeah. See, morally and ethically, if you see, all political parties must take care into the political biodata of the person to whom they are proposing as a candidate to for their own party. Definitely, if you see, but when it comes to a constitutional fundamental right, Constitution says that those person who are having 2 years of imprisonment conviction, then they are not allowed to contest. But over here, everyone will argue that fine, we are not till acquitted, we are just accused, and that is how people take an excuse. But definitely all political parties must take a call, because they are ultimately setting up an example, as you rightly said. We should not set an example to the people of the country in this democratic process, that those who are doing not good to the society, even if you see Aam Aadmi Party, Arvind Kejriwal went to jail for corruption, then another 2-3 people of their party, even in Congress, I will say that. But now the day had come that every party should come together and say that, okay, fine, if anybody is having a political acquisition or anything, must be, we can say that, not given a candidature. That is what we can conclude
Great
from
you
this
say
discussion.
that. So can I just say that you're against the idea of Ishrat Jahan being fielded by the Congress party going forward?
Yeah, definitely. Means definitely the Congress party should start, I think, and because whatever happened till date has not to be repeated every time. We must start a fresh political. Even Bharatiya Janata Party can start, because they are always telling that Congress is not good, Congress is doing bad. I think they must also think on that part, and they must start an initiative also. But only only telling that these people are bad, that is not correct, because always you point a finger, three fingers are towards you. And Bharatiya Janata Party had a very bad mentality of accusing other as corrupt, as
Okay.
non-nationalist and everything.
Okay, so there's a broader problem here, Sanjay Rana ji. You know, wherein political parties continue to cite the fact that this is something that democracy allows them to do, that this is the democratic right. They can field whoever they wish to. Now, we've seen in the past, you know, elements like Amritpal Singh, Engineer Rashid, you know, these kind of people have been fielded and they've yielded results for their respective political organization, or if at all they fought on an independent level. Now names like Tahir Hussain and, you know, Shafoor Rahman coming to the fore, a possibility of Ishrat Jahan being fielded. What can be done to correct, you know, this discourse? Because there certainly is a problem here. We're certainly not setting the right example by making these moves.
Good evening to my fellow panelists. First of all, we have a constitution process by which we can become a member of parliament or become a member of legislative assembly. But to become a member of AIM and get the ticket, you must have a two qualification. One qualification is called you must have a Muslim, come from the Muslim community, and second must be belongs to writers, Dangai and Gundas. So that I think there is a two qualification. As far as your question is concerned, absolutely made a very right statement. What step we have to take it? As per the constitution, no one can stop us to file a, go and contest the election till the time they are not convicted and getting a 2 years imprisonment. It's true as per the law. But those who are under trial, the trial is going on, like serious allegations are there, need to be corrected. But here the problem is between Congress party and I think AIM as well. They are fighting to become showcase. They are more, bhaijan. They are more Muslim friendly. It's not a matter of Muslim and non-Muslim. If obviously AIM is a political party, they have been talking about the Muslims. No issue as such. But they have a good candidates as well. They have a good, party workers, those who have a very good track record. They can give ticket to these people. But no, why they're giving the MLA ticket to these kind of people? Because they have a kind of involvement is there. They it's very easy to you can project as not require any kind of marketing. Everything is ready-made. But we need. I'm totally agree with the Congress gentleman who was speaking just before me. We have to start as a political party or as anyone. We need to fresh start, and we need to say that those who are involved in any kind of anti-social activity, we should avoid giving a ticket to these people. But I'm very surprising. I'm sorry, I'm going to take another 30 seconds. Very surprising. People are, comparing Parvesh Verma. People are comparing with the writers, with Ramesh Viduri. Please understand, political statement is totally different. We can make a political statement. We feel good or feel bad. That is secondary. We cannot measure we don't have any measurement to check which political party has a better statement and whether we have to give a higher mark or less mark. But you cannot compare with the Gundas, you cannot compare with the riot or people, those who have a serious allegation, they are behind the bars. So please understand, their comparison should be political and non-political. These guys are not political, and comparing with the political people is a big question mark. That shows the mindset of the person, those who are giving the ticket, number one, and the mindset of the person, those who are demanding.
Okay, very valid. Bilal Khan ji, how much have the AIMIM candidates, the two AIMIM candidates that we're talking about, how much have they been able to work for the national capital? How much presence have people in those constituencies seen of theirs contribute to their respective constituencies? So on what basis are you making that pick is also being questioned? Appeasement की राजनीति कहा जा रहा है बिलाल जी?
मैं थोड़ा सा मैं इनको संजय राणा जी को थोड़ा सा उसके बारे में, शिफाउर रहमान के बारे में बताना चाहूँगा. What is the qualification of शिफाउर रहमान? Is right now engineer और वहाँ से बहुत सारी डिग्रीज ली हुई हैं, जामिया से PhD भी हैं. उनका अब आपने अगर आरोप लग गया तो आपने उनको बता दिया राइटर ये वो फलाना ढिमका. अब आरोप लगने के बाद कन्विक्टेड होना भी जरूरी है. ये भारत का संविधान भी आप थोड़ा सा सर पढ़ लीजिए प्लीज आप उसको, क्योंकि आपने उसकी
बिलाल जी वो हम समझ गए हैं, वो बातचीत हो चुकी है. सवाल ये सवाल है कि अगर कोई अभी भी जेल में है और वो जीत भी जाए इलेक्शन, वो उस कंस्टिट्यूएंसी से जीत भी जाए, वो कैसे काम करेंगे सर वहाँ के लिए?
मैं बता रहा हूँ. वो जामिया का तो नाम इनको शायद पता होगा, मेरे दोस्त को, मेरे फेलो फ्रेंड को. जामिया एलुमनाई के प्रेजेंट प्रेसिडेंट हैं शिफाउर रहमान. राइट नाउ, अभी
Can
अगर
I
आप
answer
उसको
to this question
कहेंगे
to
कि वो ऐसा
gentleman?
कैंडिडेट है, अगर किसी पे आरोप लगता है वो जेल जाता है, जेल जाना, जेल तो गांधी जी भी गए थे, नेहरू जी भी जेल गए।
It's
इस देश के अंदर
surprising to
कैसे
hear
कैसे
सुch
लोग हैं जो
kind
आज
of statement. He's
प्रधानमंत्री,
comparing
सुन लीजिए मेरी
Gandhiji,
बात, देश के प्रधानमंत्री
Gandhiji
भी
with
रहे,
these
भी गए।
candidates. You're comparing
Bilal ji,
Jasween ji,
I
Jawaharlal Nehru.
think I think in all of this we're forgetting the number of lives that were lost in Delhi riots, sir.
जो
वो
hate
संख्या
speech-
याद है
No,
सर
no,
आपको? कितने
Jasween
लोगों
ji.
की जाने गई, कितने लोग इंजर्ड थे, कितनी तकलीफें लोगों को उठानी पड़ी दिल्ली में जो हुआ 2020 में? क्या हम भूल रहे हैं ये?
मैडम
This is
उसमें
absolutely
टोटल
appeasement
जितने
politics
भी
which
लोग
he's
थे ना,
trying
वो
to
ओनली
demonstrate.
शिफाउर रहमान नहीं थे, उसमें कम से कम 10,000 लोगों के नाम थे, 10,000 लोगों पे एफआईआर हुई थी दिल्ली दंगों के अंदर। तो मैं क्या ये कह रहा हूँ 10,000 सारे के सारे ही दोषी हैं, ये कन्विक्टेड हो चुके हैं, केसेस चल रहे हैं, उसमें अच्छे लोग भी, पढ़े लिखे लोग भी। आप उनकी उनकी एजुकेशन देखिए, उनका बेस देखिए, किस तरीके से लोगों के
Can I
लिए क्या
answer
काम किया,
in
किस
30
पोस्ट पर
seconds?
हैं। आप उसको
Okay, if
आप जो hate speech
2,700
दे
odd
रहे हैं,
people
it's
were
like
arrested,
परवेश वर्मा
more
को
than
आप support कर
2,000
रहे
have been
हैं।
granted bail.
Please, ma'am.
Chabra ji,
परवेश वर्मा को
that's the
support कर रहे हैं
number.
ये
If we
दोनों।
get to the number, that's the number.
विरोधी को
So
support
there
कर
is
रहे
a
हैं,
high
justify कर
chance
रहे
that
हैं
many
वो।
people have
Jasween
been
ji.
named. They have been charged under the strictest of sections and extremely controversial, the allegations that have been leveled against them. But they've come out clean as well.
Jasween ji, I love eating jalebi, but unfortunately, Bilal Khan ji cannot put me into that position where I just does not speak very straight. My straight argument is the AIMIM and the Congress Party are doing a deliberate effort to communalize the elections happening out here in Delhi. They are making a deliberate attempt to probably politicize and practice the appeasement politics here in Delhi. They want to garner they want to garner minority votes for them.
Allow me question.
This is the major and the actual and the factual agenda of the AIMIM here in Delhi. They want to politicize and pollute the environment of Delhi. They want to disturb the environment of Delhi, and that is their motive. I don't need to speak, here and way, and probably are trying to compare
30 seconds.
somebody else to somebody else. This is a very, very absurd kind of argument what Mr. Bilal Khan is giving. Let me just
Ma'am,
tell him,
30 seconds,
everybody on
please.
this panel
Allow
is
me.
learned enough, more than
30
him.
seconds.
Okay.
Everybody knows
Okay,
about
since
the
that
training
allegation is
that
just not limited to the
Jamia has done
to
to
the
this country.
AIMIM, I'll
No
also let
question about
Nikul
it.
respond.
But
Chabra
unfortunately,
ji, running out of
Mr.
time, so
Bilal
I need
Khan
him to come in and
realize
respond
this
to what
fact
you just said
that-
also.
that
Bilal ji, I'll come
do
back
not
to you.
try
You've
do
had
not try
ample
to-
opportunity to make your points and arguments. Nikul, please.
I would like to make Bharatiya Janata Party aware that don't try to do and compare such illogical statements with appeasement politics. They are the people who wants to portray the bad image, but the people of the country know that Congress is working for the all. I really feeling
about
very
India
bad
Alliance?
for
But sir,
this Bharatiya Janata
what
Party
else explains
spokesperson.
the Congress's
How about
reasoning
INDIA?
behind wanting to field Ishrat Jahan from Okhla? If it's not appeasement, if it's not not an attempt to communalize, how else should we read it, Nikul?
See, I don't understand that whether they are not I'm not talking of Ishrat Zai. It means if you feel any Muslim candidate that is leading to an appeasement politics, I don't understand the
No,
logic
it's
and
not just
statement behind such
that's
things.
exactly what I
He is
began
the
by saying,
citizen,
and that's
he
what
or
I
she
told
is the
Bilal,
citizen of the
that there are
country.
ample of
They are the
options,
citizen of
including
the
Muslim
country.
netas, that the
They are
AIMIM has
citizens.
in the
They are not
national
the citizen
capital.
of the
Why
country.
pick these
They
two
cannot file.
right-tainted
They
accused?
cannot file the nomination. I want to know from you. They cannot file the nomination. They are the citizen of the country. Anyone who is citizen of the country can file the nomination and go to the democratic process. Why it is always compared that it is an appeasement politics? So now if you feel an Hindu candidate for all the posts means you are doing an Hindu appeasement politics in the country.
Again, I don't think
That
this is
not the
about
correct
fielding
logic and
Muslim
answer
leaders
that everyone
or
wants to put
netas.
to
This
the
is
panel.
about fielding notorious politicians
No,
or
you are-
leaders.
I'm
That's
not,
what it is about,
I'm
and
not
that's why
notor-
these questions are being asked, Nikul. Sanjay
No,
Rana
this
wants
is-
to respond. So last word to him because I need to wrap up. Sanjay.
Yeah, yes. Both the leaders, both the fellow friends, my Bilal Khan Saab and the Congress spokesperson was absolutely doing the appeasement politics. How he started? He said no. Anyone can file the nomination. Yes, I agree. Anyone can file the nomination. But who's giving the ticket? You are giving the ticket. You are saying that you're not doing the appeasement politics. Since the independent, you have been doing the appeasement politics. Hindu Bill Code, who has introduced you? Who has introduced Work Board? You. Who has introduced Personal Law Board? You. And 1991 Work Act, sorry.
Means Bharatiya Janata
Constitution
Party is
Act
doing
introduced by you.
appeasement
So don't
politics
say
of
that you are not doing
majority.
the appeasement politics.
That is your
Yes,
conclusion.
AIM has been doing They have been doing the appeasement
So
politics.
BJP
They
is
are
doing
only
an
talking
appeasement
about,
politics
only
of
talking
majority.
about the
One
Muslim
person
because there's a
BJP
reason behind it.
please
The
allow.
party name is the Muslimin. That means
One
that
person
only
BJP
I
for the
don't
Muslim
understand the logic.
development of the Muslim is the objective of
can I ask
AIM.
one
I
question?
think
And they
we're
are
all
doing it.
no, I think
And
we're all
Bilal
trying
Khan
to
was talking
digress here.
about the education. Arey Baba, Osama bin Laden was an engineer
one
too.
question
Doesn't
to
mean that he
BJP
was not
person,
Attakwadi.
if you
He was
allow
not.
We're way beyond what we
You need to
started
understand
with.
what
But
he's
but
saying.
the fact of the matter is, yes, this is extremely questionable in nature. But does it or does it not end up being advantage for the BJP as well? Because now you have clearly more contenders in fray, and the votes are going to certainly split. Whether or not it becomes advantage BJP by a large margin is something that we have to watch out for, and hence the very interesting allegations of B team being leveled not just against the Aam Aadmi Party but the AIMIM as well. Gentlemen, thank you for joining in this evening. That's all the time we have. We head into a very short break for now. On the other side, we'll decode the 7 questions that will decide India's mood, that talks about India's mood and what India truly thinks about one nation, one election in the special survey that we've carried out here on CNN News 18. We'll be right back.